Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable biometrics on Rakuten account. So first we're going to open the Rakuten app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store as I've been mentioning. Then next you're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings, which is found at the top right corner. Then click on advanced settings. Then click on Touch ID. So this will help you verify your identity later. So it's used for security reasons, so no one can log into your account. So make sure to turn on this setting always. Then you guys can continue with your shopping. They have different brands here. All you have to do is click on them and continue their shopping. We also have different videos in our how to try playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.